If you're looking for a free music apps that offer features similar to Spotify Premium, such as offline listening, unlimited skips, ad-free streaming, or access to a fast music library, there are several great alternatives worth exploring. While most free services come with limitation compared to full premium experiences, many offer impressive functionality that can satisfy casual and even dedicated music listeners. Deezer is a strong alternative, especially for those who enjoy curated playlists and music discovery. Its free tier includes access to over 90 million tracks, although shuffle mode is enforced on mobile. However, users can often access premium features like offline listening, unlimited skips, and high quality audio through limited time trials or region specific promotions. YouTube Music is another popular choice, backed by YouTube's enormous music catalogs. Free users can stream songs and watch music videos without needing to pay, but one major downside is the inability to play music on the background or download tracks for offline use. Despite this, many users find workarounds such as using web browsers with specific extension or minimizing restriction on desktop platform, which allows for more flexible listening. The last one is SoundCloud. It's a well known for its massive and diverse collection of independent music, remixes, and DJ sets. Free users can stream millions of tracks, and while offline listening is a premium feature, SoundCloud frequently offers trials in its Go and Go Plus subscription. These unlock ad-free streaming, full track access, and offline listening capabilities. The platform also allows artists to upload their own work, creating a uniquely community-driven experience.